Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a suspicious transaction on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do is to log into the Atlas online banking platform, or you're going to log in on the Atlas mobile app. So you can use the website or the mobile app to log into your Atlas account. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a suspicious transaction alert for. You're just going to go ahead and select the credit card account from the account dashboard. Now once you've selected that, you're going to click on account alerts, and then you're going to select the suspicious transaction alert option. And now you're going to review and customize the alert settings, such as the alert threshold and the notification preferences. Just go ahead and customize that, and then you're going to confirm the account alert settings and review the alert preferences one more time, just to make sure that everything is accurate. And from there on out, you're going to receive suspicious transaction alerts on your credit card accounts, and you can also review the updated account information on Atlas anytime. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a suspicious transaction on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Catch you guys in the next one.